of an expensive legal defense team that created enough doubt in the jury's mind. Compare this to the thousands of innocent people who spend decades behind bars simply because they couldn't afford a good lawyer. Similarly, in India, the 2G spectrum scam saw politicians and corporate executives accused of corruption involving billions of rupees. Yet after years of legal battles, most were acquitted due to lack of evidence. Was justice truly served, or was it another case of money buying freedom? Wrongful convictions and the price of false justice. While the rich escape punishment, the poor often become victims of wrongful convictions. One of the most heartbreaking examples is the case of Ricky Jackson, an American who spent 39 years in prison for a crime he didn't commit. A false witness testimony led to his conviction, and it took nearly 4 decades to clear his name. Stories like these are not exceptions. They are far too common in legal systems worldwide. In India, the Hashimpura massacre case saw police officers killing 42 innocent people in 1987. For decades, the victims' families waited for justice, only for the accused to walk free due to lack of evidence. When justice is delayed, manipulated, or denied, faith in the legal system crumbles. Judges are human too, and they make mistakes. We assume that judges are wise, impartial, and free from bias. But at the end of the day, they are humans too, prone to personal prejudices, external pressure, and even corruption. In the United States, multiple studies have shown that judges tend to give harsher sentences before lunch because they are hungry and irritable. This might sound ridiculous, but it proves that human emotions, rather than pure logic, often influence court decisions. Similarly, in many countries, judges have been exposed for taking bribes, giving favorable rulings to politicians, or suppressing justice to protect the powerful. If those at the top of the legal system are corrupt, how can we expect fairness for ordinary citizens? The problem of delayed justice. It is often said that justice delayed is justice denied. The slow pace of courts has ruined lives, leaving innocent people stuck in legal battles for years. Take the case of the Bhopal gas tragedy, one of the worst industrial disasters in history. Thousands of people died in 1984 due to a gas leak from Union Carbide's plant in India. Even after 40 years, victims are still fighting for fair compensation. The company's top executives walked free while the affected families continue to suffer. Why does justice take so long? Courts are overloaded with millions of cases, trials drag on for decades, and in many instances, people die before they ever see a verdict. How is this justice? Can AI judges fix the system? One potential solution is artificial intelligence, AI, in the judiciary. AI could analyze cases quickly, remove human biases, and ensure faster verdicts. Countries like Estonia and China have already experimented with AI judges for small claims cases. But there are concerns. Can a machine truly understand human emotions? Can it differentiate between right and wrong in complex moral dilemmas? While AI can speed up justice, it cannot replace human wisdom, at least not yet. What needs to change? The legal system was created to ensure fairness, but today it often serves those with power and money. Wrongful convictions, judicial corruption, and delayed justice prove that the system is broken. So what can be done? Stricter accountability for judges. No one should be above the law, not even those who enforce it. Faster court procedures. Legal cases should not take decades to resolve. More legal support for the poor. Justice should not be a privilege only for the rich. The real question is, do we still believe in justice, or has it become just another illusion? Let me know what you think. Is it time for a major reform in the judiciary? This version is structured for a 10-minute passage with deeper analysis, emotional appeal, and real-world examples. Let me know if you want any adjustments.